Either I'm brilliant or incredibly stupid. But my Lego boards were all dusty and I'm sick, I'm tired. I didn't want to hand wash them. And these little acrylic wall shelves were also dusty. So either this was really stupid and dangerous or really smart. I don't know which. I did though use like a the fastest wash, and I made sure it wasn't on high heat. So either I'm brilliant or I put microplastics on my cooking. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the Lego boards and the shelves out, and then I'm gonna rewash the dishes. Yeah, I'll rewash the dishes. Yeah.